Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Apache Airflow on AWS for batch scheduling, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up Apache Airflow on AWS for batch scheduling, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard to launch a new instance. Click on the Launch Instance button to start the configuration. Select an Amazon machine image, preferably the latest Ubuntu LTS version. Choose an instance type based on your expected workload. T2.micro is a good option for testing. Configure instance details, ensuring you select a VPC and subnet that suit your needs. In the storage configuration, allocate sufficient disk space. 20 GB is typically a good starting point. Add tags to your instance for organization and management. Configure security group settings to allow SSH access and HTTP/HTTPS traffic. Review all settings, then click Launch and select or create a new key pair for SSH access. Once the instance is up and running, connect to it using your terminal or an SSH client. Update the package list on the instance by running the command sudo apt-get update. Install Python and pip with the command sudo apt-get install python 3 pip. Next, install Apache Airflow using pip, run pip3 install Apache Airflow. To configure Airflow, set the environment variable for the home directory by executing export airflow_home =/airflow. Initialize the database by running airflow db init. Now, configure the Airflow web server and scheduler by editing the airflow.cfg file. Set the executor to local executor if using a single machine or Celery executor for distributed workloads. You may also want to configure the connection to your AWS services by adding credentials in the Airflow UI. Next, start the Airflow web server with the command airflow web server port 8080. In a new terminal window, start the Airflow scheduler by executing airflow scheduler. Open your web browser and navigate to http:// your EC2 public DNS 8080 to access the Airflow UI. From the UI, you can create a new DAG for your batch scheduling tasks. Make sure to test your DAGs to ensure they are executing as expected. Once tested, schedule your tasks based on defined intervals or triggers. For better management and scalability, consider integrating Airflow with AWS services like S3 and Redshift. Remember to monitor your Airflow instance to ensure its performance and reliability. With successful setup, you now have Apache Airflow running on AWS for batch scheduling. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.